We're at the Sugar Factory and we ordered the watermelon patch goblet.
Is it good?
It's really good.
There was watermelons. 3 watermelons up here. Happy birthday, Julia. Alright, it's Julia's birthday. Happy birthday, Julia. And we're going to the Sugar Factory to get a cocktail. We came here, 3 years ago, and we weren't 21 yet. And she said on her 21st birthday, I have to take her here so she can get a huge cocktail thing that smokes and stuff. So, I'm a good husband, and we're here. We're going to order a big, huge cocktail that probably costs a whole bunch of money. And we'll see you guys in there. See ya.
See ya.
Alright, so here's the menu for Sugar Factory, and it's huge. So it's like I think we counted, it's like either 39 or 40 pages, and it's just either alcoholic drinks, half of it's like alcoholic drinks, and the other half is food, or dessert. So the beginning you have the alcoholic drinks, and then now we're on to the food. So the food is pretty good there. They have appetizers, soups and salads, sandwiches. I got a monster burger. It was really pretty good. And then they also have pasta and lobster. And they got brunch. Drew got crepes. Here you go. Here's the milkshakes. They're just different creations. They just put different stuff on them. Like lollipops. They have lollipops hanging out the side of them. And different stuff. But this is the whole menu. We cut off a little of the alcoholic drinks because there were just so many. But it's like 40 pages. And you can see that this thing is bigger than Julia's face. It's longer than Julia's face because it's huge. What did you get?
The banana spike crepe. And it has strawberries, bananas, and brownie bites on it.
Oh, it's good. I got the bacon blue cheeseburger with french fries. It looks huge. It looks really good. Are you gonna eat it? Are you gonna eat it?
Yeah.
Is it good? What was the experience?
It was amazing.
How was the drink?
Delicious.
What about the food?
Amazing. So you have to get the overall experience. You have the Sugar Factory. You need to get the sugary drink, sugary food, and just enjoy your sugary goodness. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Bye.